Keywords are the lifeblood of online visibility. They are the bridge connecting your content with your target audience. In the ever-expanding digital universe, where billions of searches occur daily, mastering keywords is no longer optional. It's essential. Think of keywords as signposts guiding users to your website. When someone types a query into a search engine, they are essentially expressing an intent, a need. Your website needs to appear in those search results, and that's where keywords come in. Effective keyword research and implementation can be the difference between obscurity and online prominence. It's about aligning your content with what your audience is actively seeking, ensuring that your website stands out in the crowded digital marketplace. The digital landscape is not static. It's a dynamic, ever-evolving realm. Search engine algorithms, the rules governing search results, are constantly refined, making it challenging to keep up. Add to that the fierce competition for online visibility, and the need to adapt becomes paramount. What worked yesterday in terms of SEO might not work today. That's why staying informed about the latest trends and algorithm updates is crucial. Don't be afraid to experiment and analyze the results. The key takeaway? Embrace the dynamic nature of the digital landscape. Be flexible, adaptable, and always willing to learn and adjust your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Thankfully, we're not alone in this quest for online visibility. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing how we approach keywords. Sophisticated AI-powered tools are now available, providing invaluable assistance in keyword research and analysis. These tools can sift through massive amounts of data, identify relevant keywords, and even predict future search trends. This takes the guesswork out of keyword research, allowing you to focus on crafting high-quality content. Moreover, the rise of voice search presents both a challenge and an opportunity. People are increasingly using voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to search online. This shift necessitates optimizing your website for conversational, long-tail keywords that reflect natural language patterns. Speaking of long-tail keywords, these are the unsung heroes of keyword strategy. Unlike short, generic keywords, long-tail keywords are longer, more specific phrases that target a niche audience. Think of it this way. Coffee is a broad keyword with massive competition. Best organic coffee beans for French press is a long-tail keyword targeting a specific audience with a clear intent. Long-tail keywords may have lower search volume individually, but they often convert better because they attract highly motivated users who are closer to making a purchase. By incorporating long-tail keywords naturally into your content, you can effectively reach these valuable prospects. Now let's delve into a powerful technique that combines user intent with trending topics for effective keyword usage. This approach involves identifying what your target audience is searching for and aligning it with current trends and conversations happening online. Start by understanding your audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they seeking? Once you have a firm grasp of their needs, explore trending topics related to your industry or niche. By blending these two elements, you can create content that is both relevant and timely. This resonates strongly with your audience and increases the likelihood of ranking higher in search results. Let me illustrate this technique with a real-world example. Let's say you have a website dedicated to healthy recipes. You notice a growing trend of people searching for plant-based keto recipes. This is a clear indication of user intent. People are looking for specific dietary options. Your task is to create high-quality, keyword-optimized content around this trend, like delicious and easy plant-based keto recipes for beginners. By aligning your content with this trending keyword phrase, you're directly addressing the needs of your target audience while capitalizing on the current search trend. Mastering keywords is an ongoing journey, and we all face challenges along the way. What are your biggest keyword struggles? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's create a community of learning and support, helping each other navigate the complexities of the digital landscape and unlock the true potential of effective keyword strategy. Your insights could spark valuable discussions and provide solutions for others facing similar hurdles. Let's conquer the world of keywords together. In the ever-evolving digital realm, keywords remain the cornerstone of online visibility. By understanding the power of keywords, embracing the latest trends, and utilizing AI-driven tools, you can navigate the complexities of search engine optimization and achieve online success. Remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords into your content, it's about understanding user intent, aligning it with trending topics, and providing valuable, engaging content that resonates with your target audience. So, embrace the power of keywords, adapt to the changing landscape, and watch your online presence soar.